Hey guys, how we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So a quick look at the Ethereum and the Bitcoin Dominator and DMT charts. I did realize that yesterday someone pointed out that I basically looked at the Ethereum chart twice and not the Bitcoin chart, which was probably why we're getting the same percentages for the moves. So I'll make sure I've got the right charts this time. So yeah, 15-minute DMT byline is still basically hanging around this just under 6,900 level. So not far away from the price at all. Only about 100 or so points. I mean, we just dipped down now, but we were over 800, 6,800 then. So not far before DMT would activate a buy trade. 25-minute Dominator, still in a pretty strong sell. Obviously after this move down here. That won't be looking to take a buy trade in the immediate future, in like the next hour or so. But you can see 15-minute DMT did take a buy, but we don't use 15-minute Dominator. But obviously it feeds through with the time scales. Obviously, look, you see 20-minute it's coming up towards a buy, and then eventually 25-minute will get a buy, and that's this is one of the indicators we actually do have the bot on at the moment for. So Ethereum, so I've got the right one this time. So that was Bitcoin, so this is now Ethereum. Ethereum 15-minute DMT byline is at 158. Yep, and obviously you can see DMT Dominator 15-minute has come through to a buy as well. 20-minute nearly a buy, but obviously 20-minute still be a sell. But it is swooping round. So yeah, so after the sell there, that wasn't a very good sell in Ethereum. But yeah, so you can see we're swooping around, so we'll potentially get a buy signal here. Overall, the whole market is looking very bearish. Technically bearish. Sentiment is bearish. Which is strange to say we're coming into the halving. I mean, the fear and greed index is very low at the moment. To say how high we've moved. I mean, I was saying that if we got to like 7,200 level, that's basically a 2x from the 3,600 level that we tapped when we had that spike down. So it is interesting that we are still bearish, even though we have 2x'd from the recent lows, which is obviously a considerable move. I mean, just think if we 2x from where we are now, that would be basically over 13,000, wouldn't it? So so there you go. Would be getting bullish then? Probably. I think we probably would be. But yeah, so yeah, looking at all that, we'll see what happens here. We've had the breakdown out of the channel, but we don't really seem to be getting much follow through with the price action. So I'm not sure what exactly is going to happen here. I mean, in the back of my mind, I'm obviously aware we are very close to the halving. It's like 29 days away. So you just got to think that's going to have some sort of an effect. I mean, I know whatever is priced in, but I mean, once we stop having those extra Bitcoin being produced and potentially being sold by the miners into the market, there has to just be a let up of supply to selling pressure. So I have to see what happens there. But anyway, I'll leave you guys there. We will have to see how we're getting on tomorrow, how we get moving with this. We seem to be moving very closely with the stock markets. So like every move up and then move down is pretty much mirrored in BTC from the stock markets. So that is interesting to see. But yeah, so remember, it's not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys tomorrow.